Okay, what we're going to do now is we're going to try and download and install the program that I want us to try and use to get easy data for our labs. It'll allow us to basically just take videos in lab and then import them into this software. Okay, so open up a browser tab and go to Google or Bing or whatever it is you prefer to use, and we want open source physics tracker. As you can see, I've searched this one before, but if you type that in, that should be good. And pay close attention, it's not necessarily the very first one. It is for me, but maybe there are ads or something. We're looking for the website opensourcephysics.org, and it has Tracker Video Analysis Modeling Tool. It's open source, so I'm going to click that link, and it should take you to this page. Now, if you try and get this software from somewhere else, I don't know, they could throw some other stuff in there, but this is where I've always gotten it from, and this has worked fine for me. It also doesn't have any of those like annoying checkmark ones where they try and install like coupondeals.com or whatever, or Yahoo search bars or anything like that. This appears to come only with the program that we want to use, which is why I like that sort of thing. There are many options here. There's a Windows installer, there's a Mac OS with instructions, and Linux for different forms of Linux. And so the Windows is what I need on this one because this is Windows 8.1. So I'm going to click that. It downloads. And if you've got the setting here where it shows downloads, you can click here, or you can search your computer, find the downloads folder, go to that. You can see that I've downloaded this a couple of times. So I'm just going to open one of them. Now it's asking me if I actually want to install this. It does say publisher unknown. If you or your parents or whomever is in control of the computer has qualms with downloading it, please let me know. I'll try and get something set up for you. But my experience with it has been that I haven't had any problems. So I'm going to say yes. It brings up kind of the picture thing there. We're installing Setup Wizard. I'm going to click next. Now, like a good person, I'd go through and read all of the end user license agreement, but I've done that before, so I'm going to click accept. Next. It's going to install. By default, it's going into program files x86, so it looks like it's a 32-bit program, which is fine. And then it asks me what all I want to put in there. Tracker, definitely, that's the software. And then videos and experiments will give you some preloaded videos and maybe some experiments that you can play around with. Now, it's up to you if you want to incorporate those or not. Basically, all we really need right now is Tracker itself. Okay, and then I'm going to do next. It's going to go through, it's going to install. Shouldn't take very long. Ooh, creating an uninstaller. I always like things that leave me a path to uninstall. Okay, setup has finished installing this program. By default, it looks like it comes up with the view README. I've looked at it before, so I'm good. I'm going to uncheck that. But I would like to create a shortcut on my desktop so I can get to it easily. I'm going to click Finish. And then when I minimize, lo and behold, here's Tracker. I'm going to open it up. And this is what the program looks like. Now, off the top, it may be a little confusing. That's okay. In another video, I'm going to walk you through importing a video and actually doing some stuff with this program so that we can get stuff out of it. But right now, this is for getting it installed. This is what it should look like. Okay?